So to change the interface or appearance color of the Photoshop, if you are using the PC, make sure you click on edit, and at the bottom you will see preferences here. If you are using Mac like me, you will go to Photoshop, preferences, and then interface. So same thing you will be following on the PC, like edit, preferences, and interface. Now you have four options here: the black, dark gray, light gray, and the white color. So you can select any of the theme you like, and then you have to press OK. You can change the highlight color as well. So either you can go to default or you can go to blue. So once I'm gonna select blue, you will see this highlight color gonna change. So this is the option you got, it's gonna be different on your layers, everything, where whatever gonna be highlighting will be of this color. I will leave it on default, and the color I like is this dark gray color, and I'm gonna press OK. So this was for the interface color or the appearance or theme, whatever you're gonna call it. And to change the canvas color, we have an option to change the canvas color as well. This is the canvas where we work on our work area. To change this color, we just gotta right click on the mouse, and then we can select any, I can select black, dark gray, medium gray, light gray, and then I can also go to the custom color. So these four are the standard options or the default options which are given by Photoshop. You can go to custom color as well, and then you can pick any color. So if I'm gonna select custom color, I can select any, maybe I want to select this blue color, or maybe let's go little lighter blue. So I want to select this color as background. I can get this. It really helpful sometime when you are using number of colors and you don't have this color, so in your image, so you can choose any color you want. I keep it on default color like dark gray, which is I really like. And apart from this, I want to give you one another tip. Like the shortcut key is Command 0 to bring this to the fit to the canvas. Thank you.